Alright, we're going to add polynomials together. Adding polynomials is the same as combining like terms. So if you can combine like terms, then you should be able to add polynomials. So our first example is 2y cubed plus 7y squared minus 6y, and we're going to add it to negative 4y squared plus 3y minus 9. So remember, if something is a like term, it has to have the same variable raised to the same power. So I'm going to start with my 2y cubed. And I'm going to look through all of these terms and look for another y cubed. So if you look, I have y squared, y squared, y, and a constant. So there's no more y cubes, so it's the only one of its kind. So I'm just going to bring it down, and that's going to be 2y cubed, and then I'm through with it. The next one I'm going to look at is 7y squared. So I'm going to look at all the terms that are remaining and look for anything that's got a y squared. This is a y. Here's a y squared right here. So those two are my like terms. I'm going to combine them by adding. I'm going to go 7 plus a negative 4. 7 plus negative 4, or I could just say 7 minus 4 gives me 3. So this will be positive 3y squared. Next I have a minus 6y. I'm going to look through the remaining terms, see if there's anything else that has just a y, and there is one. This plus 3y. I'm going to go negative 6 plus 3 gives me negative 3y. And then last of all, there's just this constant by itself. It's a minus 9. I'm just going to bring it down, and then I'm done. This is what the sum of these two polynomials will equal 2y cubed plus 3y squared minus 3y minus 9. All right, let's do one more example. I've got 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 9. And I'm going to add that to x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11. So again, we're going to start out, I just take the first term, this 2x cubed, and I look at all the other terms and see, is there anything else that has an x cubed? Which there is one right there. So I'm going to go 2 plus 1 gives me 3, and that's x cubed. So I've combined the x cubes, and then I've got a minus 5x squared. And I look through the remaining terms and look for an x squared, and there's one right here. So I'm going to go negative 5 plus 6 gives me a positive 1. So I'm just going to write as positive x squared. I'm going to leave off the 1. And then I've got this 3x, so plus 3x, and I look, I have a minus 9 and a plus 11. So it doesn't have a like term, it's by itself. I'm going to just bring it down as plus 3x. And then last of all, I have this minus 9 and a plus 11. Those are two numbers. Numbers are always like terms. I'm going to put those together. Negative 9 plus 11 gives me positive 2. And this should be my answer. So that's just a quick example of how to add two polynomials together.